Hi everyone, today is October 27th and it's Tuesday. So, just a reminder, the first topic here is important info. Second topic is where I'm putting your formatives and summatives, and then that you've already taken. And then we're going to be going by the week now. So, as you can see, you have Monday's bell work. Now you have Tuesday's bell work, and this is important for you to do today. And then the assignment we started yesterday is what you'll finish today. So I renamed it to Monday and Tuesday. Okay, and it's the Alvarez assignment. Now, if you haven't even started this, you probably need to go ahead and watch the video lesson for Monday. It's 11 minutes and it explains how to do the assignment, and it also talks about the background information to the book that you need to know. Okay, so, but for your bell work, this is really important bell work, okay, because you guys are still having problems with your objective summaries, and your summative is tomorrow and Thursday. So you need to be sure you do a good job on your bell work so you're prepared for your summative, okay? So, one thing, I'm just going to read this. One thing that you need to work on before the summative exam tomorrow is your objective summary. Do not confuse this with a question asking for direct evidence. So when you took your formative and you guys got completely confused, okay? The objective summary should only include facts that are written in your own words. Summaries are summaries, okay? It's not providing quotes. It's rephrasing this stuff in your own words. You're paraphrasing, okay? So, on the other exam, we did ask you a question and asked you to give evidence. And like at least half of you guys went in and stopped writing objective summaries when you were supposed to do that. And you gave quotes and all this weird stuff. And you don't. So I'm going to read this, okay? Objective summaries should only have facts that are written in your own words. You are summarizing what happened in the article. I will specifically ask you for direct evidence if I want you to include it in an answer. However, quotes are not used in objective summaries. Your summary should include the key details within it, but you don't write who, Michael Jordan in your summary. Okay, you need to go through each paragraph of the article and tell me what is most important to know in relation to the central idea. Okay, so you guys completely changed what we've been doing for the whole 9 weeks on the past 2 formatives. I tried to help you out and say, hey, you need to be sure you include the key details in there. Half of you guys, or a good portion of you all, just stopped doing what we've been working on all semester and just went through and wrote out your who, what, when, where, why. That's not what you do. Okay? You need to tell me what is most important out of the article. So I need you to practice. Okay? The summative is worth 60% of your grade. It's huge. Okay? So here's what you need to do. Your first sentence should be the central idea. That's your first sentence. You should introduce the topic and who or what the article is about. Tell us when and where the topic takes place. Then tell us what is important to know about the article and why it is important. The bulk of your objective summary should talk about what happened, what is important to know, and why it is important to know these details. Your paragraph should end with a concluding sentence. So to practice, okay, because this is important, I want you to write an objective summary over Julia Alvarez's About Me biography. And you may want to also pull from the video. Okay, so if you haven't finished your assignment, go through, read the About Me article, make sure you watch the video like you were supposed to yesterday, and then stop and write your objective summary. That will help you complete your the questions as well over the article, okay? I want you to start out with the central idea. So be sure you say who the article is about. An example, what is her name? What is she known for, etc. Then tell us what time period the article or video talks about and focuses on. Then tell us the setting details that are important. Okay, so an example, what are the 2 locations we need to know about in order to understand who Julia Alvarez is? For example, where was she born? Where did she migrate to? Where did she go back to? Okay, those locations. Then tell us what we need to know about Julia Alvarez and her past. What do we need to know about and understand to get a clear picture of who she is? Then tell us why we need to know this information, why it is important to know her background information before we read her book, and why it is important to read authors like Julia Alvarez. Okay, this is the type of stuff that needs to be in your objective summary. So I want you to practice writing one for your bell work. Okay, this will be good practice for you, learning how to pull out important details to put in your objective summary. Objective summary should always be 5 or more sentences. This will help you prepare for the summative exam that we are taking tomorrow. Okay? And so that's it. And I'll go ahead and get this posted for you, and you'll be good to go. Thanks.